This chapter is on IV therapy, which is delivering liquid medicine directly into a patient's veins. And we have an IV flow rate formula here, and that is the amount in milliliters multiplied by the set calibration divided by the time in minutes, and that's equal to our IV flow rate. So the set calibration is the type of tubing that's used in the IV, and it is measured in GTT per ml. And if you remember, GTT is our abbreviation for drops. So some of the options for this are 10 GTT per ml, 12 GTT per ml, 15 GTT per ml, 20 GTT per ml, and then lastly 60 GTT per ml. And the 60 GTT per ml is sometimes referred to as microdrip. So in the questions, when you see microdrip, you need to know that that means 60 GTT per ml. So these GTTs per mLs, these tell you the size of the drops of these IVs. The rate, that is the output of this formula, has the units GTT per minute. And we always round this answer to the nearest whole. And this is because we only want to count whole drops. We don't want to have to measure fractions of drops as they drop from the IV machine. So this is GTT per minute, and it's always rounded to the nearest whole. And then also, it's good to remember that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, looking at number 1, it says an IV of 1800 mLs is to infuse over 12 hours using a 15 GTT per ml set. Find the rate. So I know that this is my amount, and it's infusing over 12 hours using a 15 GTT per milliliter set. Now everything's good here except for the hours, because in the formula it specifically has to be in minutes. So I need to convert this to minutes. So 12 times 60 is 720 minutes. So my formula is going to be 1800 times 15 divided by 720. 1800 times 15 divided by 720, and this is equal to my rate. So my rate is 37.5, but again, I always want to round this to the nearest whole number, and it's 38 GTT per minute.